Okay, girl. We made it back home. 4 bags and $85 later. Like, Target be expensive. That's my fault because I did not feel like going to Walmart today. So, but according to Target, I saved $15 this trip. But they did the Kleenex. I got 2 of those. And I ended up, you bought 2 or more of Kleenex, these boxes. And you got a $5 gift card. So I got my $5 gift card. And can you see the common theme that's about to be like transpiring? Because I mean, you saw I picked up the kids some of that. And then I got some Airborne. And then girl got, my eyes are bothering me. So, and then I picked up this Power Grip with a niacinamide. And I was like, should we really be doing this? Should we not be doing this? Should we be really like, trying it? And I was like, girl, they say niacinamide is good for your skin. Because mind you, I do have some that I do put on my face from Ordinary. So we'll just give it a try because I already had the original. So I said, we'll try it. But like I said, they said, who's they? I don't know. But yeah. And then I got us some microbrand spray. They didn't have a Lysol spray I wanted. That is at Walmart. So I should have took my happy self to Walmart. But they're not carrying method like they used to carry method at my closest Target, we'll say. And then, but you basically saw everything else like that because I picked up some hats for the boys. Since the weather is changing, girl. Like they got the like little cute, like with the puff little ball on top, but I want something that they can quick grab, easy. We ain't gotta worry about it. Easy peasy. It's done. But and then of course I had stopped at the beauty supply store. I wanted some lashes, so I got these ones. I have to actually go check because I don't know if these are the ones I bought last time. I think I bought 3 last time, and I wanted 4. I don't remember if it was 4 or 6. So these are the Real Fluffy, the INV Real Fluffy. I said that already. But in a number 4. So, because I never opened up the 3s I got. I didn't open them. And then I saw this when I was like, great leave. The eyeliner lash glue. So I'm going to give that a try. My friends both have this and they swear by it. So, girl, we'll give it a try, girl. See how it goes. But yeah, that's it. It's like, hey girl, hey, like what we doing today? What I do best, spend money. But yeah, that's it for right now. Cause I was just out in these streets Sunday. We was at Walmart, me and the boys. So I'm gonna put this stuff up. And I got these. Oh, these are the saline wipes. My pediatrician, the boy's pediatrician, put me up onto these. So these are good. Oh, I just bought the 2-pack. It only come in 2.45. So yeah, cheaper to buy and the 2-pack than it is solitaire by themselves. But those, they're saline nose wipes and they come in handy for when your kids have like runny noses, dry, or like they've blown their nose too much and everything's dry, and then you want to take some tissue to it and they hoop, holler, and scream. Girl, get you some of these. Don't act like I ain't told you, because it's here. And when it's sold out, I know why. All right. Yep, here it is. Because these are the 3s. And then I just bought the 4s. Yeah, I think these are the ones I wanted. Because I remember going down a thing. So, add that to the collection. And then we got over here the Bear in 5. So we're just going to put these there. These don't even go here. Why do I have them there? They should be down here. Yep. They should be down here with my lashes. So hold on, girl. Hold on. And we're going to put these up here for right now. Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Cita here, and if you new, well, welcome. You coming back? Hey girl, hey, yeah. What's poppin'? So what we doing? I just got deliveries, so I ordered us some what are these things called? Girl, earplugs. Matter of fact, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I just did my third purchase of Loop ear plugs. So let me show you the very first pair I got. They are their quiet. Come on. Oh, they're quiet. Look how cute the little case is. And these are to help like loud noises. Quiet for these ones to me mainly are for sleeping. So I needed something for myself that I was like, it seems to, I hear everything. Like I'm a light sleeper. I don't want to say I'm a light sleeper, but I hear movement in the house. I hear cars driving by. I hear it, you know. And so I was like, okay, there's got to be something else so that way I know when I'm asleep, I'm asleep. And so I just so happened to be watching Sundai Love's vlog, and she was going to a concert, and she had the Loop Engage. And so I was like, okay, now these are cool because they don't look like the regular earplugs you put in your ear. Because I was like, I need something. So I ended up trying the Quiet. And these ones, this is the pink ones they had. And then I wanted to buy these both at the same time, but these ones were out of stock. These are the Engage ones. And this is the one, and she had the Engage, and I think she had the Experience. I don't know, but I know she had the Engage because it's clear. Let me do it this. It's clear little. Now I done went back on there and purchased again. Everything's clear. Like this is clear. Even this isn't black. It's like a opaque type white. Now this one has like some sort of little filter on the end, so that way it muffles the noise, but you can still hear. And so I was going back on there because I said I want to get another set of one of the quiet ones, so that way I could keep a set in my purse, or so I have it. I can't even get this out, girl. I ordered. It's like I feel like let me just start all over. Let's start fresh. Just like, huh. So the whole point and purpose of doing this last order was because I only have one set of Quiet, and I wanted a backup to the Quiet and be able to keep like a pair in my purse or anything like while I'm out. So I got, you know, so the Engage would be for while I'm out because these are a hard plastic and they don't do well for me being a side sleeper. These are like a more of like a silicone, so these work well. So in the meantime, in between time, like my oldest son, he's been complaining about like the noise level at school, so they have the kids version. So I ordered some for the kiddos. So let's see. This one is, my hand is over it because I could have swore. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. Yep. So this is one of them. That's what it looks like. This is the berry one. So Bash picked the berry one. What a little cute case. Let's get this open. Oh, and they're bigger. Look at this compared to, so this the adult, this the kids. Look at the size of them. Perfect. Because oh, there's a whole new little cake. Look at that. So these are the ones Lido picked. The orange dream ones. There it is. Ocean orange. These are the ones Lido picked. I'm going to put it back in here. And then that way Lido can get his own little experience with opening his little box. And the next one Bash got was the berry blue. Come on. Open, please. Ooh, look. And that was purple. Same like little color case. Now I'm looking forward to see what mine look like. Oh, look. It's so super cute. So I am happy with the purchase, like always. Flip it back so he can enjoy his opening his stuff. Oh, come on. Do I have it? Okay, this part's the user. This ain't got nothing else to do with nothing. All right, cool. So that's the boys. And then I ordered. So I was going to go on and order the pink. I already got pink. But it was another color I was going to get. They've already changed out. Apparently, they've already changed out the colors for this season. So this season, they got mint, purple, white, and black for the... Oh, this is bigger. Yep. So I ordered, this is the quiet pair. All right, I'm liking this because I've been fighting with this one because to get my finger in there. And this one, because of the size, I don't have to fight. Oops, it done fell out of place, girl. Yay. Get back in there so I can show. There we are. This one's not in there either. There we go. So then this is the mint, because I was torn between the mint and the purple. But I went ahead and got the mint. I'm happy with this. Then I gotta swap these earbuds out because they come in extra small, small, medium comes on the actual earplug, and large. So I gotta do that, but I ain't doing it today. That's not a job for today. But when I went back on there, they introduced a new pair. It's called the Switch. So this one, it has the quiet, the engage, and the experience. So it's like all three of their earplugs in one. So I said, you know what? I'm going to try it because this would have been beneficial to have when we were celebrating my cousin's birthday. Wow. Look. Nice. Look at that. And then that's them. Oh, wait. I want this to be. There we go. Clear. And then you can, there's a switch on here. Let me focus. And you can turn it for your noise level that you need. So I guess this one, I don't know what it is. I'd have to look at the book. But let's see. There we go. That should be better. You can see on this little side. And you can turn it for the noise level that you are willing to experience. So that's what I got those for. So that's my little ear plug unboxing. I am going to go back to what I was doing. I at least wanted to share that with you because why not? It might help somebody. That's just how I look at it because I'm sharing the love, the wealth, and the knowledge. Okay? But yeah, so what are we doing right now? Taking measurements because I need to move a TV that I'm not doing today. We're not doing it today, girl. I'm gonna be honest with you, straight for real. We're not moving that today. But I was taking measurements because for where I'm trying to put it away, I needed to see if it would fit. So far, measurements are A1. I just need to get a is it an orbital saw? It's not the orbit. It's the I can't think of it right now. But it's like the hand like the smaller hand saws. I need one of those so I can cut the boards down and put it out so I can put that on it. So yeah, I have a project that we at some point need to take care of is all I'm saying, basically. Take it. Okay. Hopefully we all right. I saw it was looking a little blurred. And then tomorrow we are going grocery shopping. So that's going to be the vlog for now. So I will chat and check back in with you later. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.